Louis Vuitton, the name alone screams luxury, timeless elegance, and impeccable craftsmanship. But how did this iconic brand become the global powerhouse it is today? From humble beginnings to redefining the world of fashion, today, we're diving deep into the incredible story of Louis Vuitton. And this is just the beginning. Every week, I'll be covering 2 luxury brands, uncovering their rich history, the artistry behind them, and why they've become so legendary. So make sure to tell me in the comments which brands you want me to cover next. The story of Louis Vuitton. 1. Humble beginnings. From a trunk maker to a fashion empire. Louis Vuitton's story starts in 1837, when a 16-year-old Louis Vuitton arrived in Paris on foot after traveling over 400 kilometers from his small village. He became an apprentice to a box maker and packer, mastering the art of creating custom trunks for wealthy clients. At the time, travel was rough. Trunks needed to be durable, secure, and easy to transport. In 1854, Louis Vuitton opened his own workshop and introduced a groundbreaking innovation: flat-topped trunks. Unlike the rounded trunks of the time, these were stackable, making them easier to transport. The canvas he used was lightweight yet durable, setting the foundation for what would become one of the most recognizable luxury brands in the world. 2. The monogram, a symbol of status and exclusivity. The LV monogram we know today was created in 1896 by Louis Vuitton's son, Georges Vuitton, after his father's death. It wasn't just about branding, it was a way to prevent counterfeiting, which was already becoming an issue even back then. The design was inspired by Japanese flower motifs and featured the iconic LV initials combined with geometric shapes. Over time, the monogram became more than just a logo, it became a symbol of status, wealth, and taste. 3. Expanding into the fashion world. For over a century, Louis Vuitton focused solely on luxury trunks and travel goods. But in 1997, everything changed when Marc Jacobs was appointed as the brand's first creative director. Jacobs introduced the first ready-to-wear collection, instantly elevating Louis Vuitton from a luxury luggage brand to a full-fledged fashion house. Jacobs also collaborated with artists like Steven Sprouse and Takashi Murakami, bringing a fresh, modern edge to the brand while respecting its heritage. The graffiti and multicolored monogram designs became cult favorites, mixing street style with high fashion. 4. Iconic pieces, why they're so coveted. Louis Vuitton has created some of the most recognizable bags in fashion history. The Speedy, introduced in the 1930s, was designed as a smaller version of the Keep-All-A bag, made for modern women on the go. Then there's the Neverfull, launched in 2007, which quickly became one of the best-selling luxury bags ever due to its versatility and practicality. The Alma, originally designed in the 1930s for Coco Chanel, remains a timeless piece. And of course, the Keep-All, still the ultimate travel companion. These pieces aren't just bags, they're investments and symbols of a luxurious lifestyle. 5. Modern influence and celebrity power. Louis Vuitton's influence isn't just about history, it's about cultural relevance. From red carpets to street style, celebrities have made Louis Vuitton a global status symbol. Under the creative direction of Nicolas Guesquière since 2013, the brand has pushed boundaries while preserving its classic essence. The LV Archlight sneakers, the Petite Mar, and even the Twist bag are modern classics that blend innovation with tradition, a perfect reflection of the brand's 6. The power of exclusivity and the waiting list phenomenon. What makes Louis Vuitton so powerful is not just the design, it's the exclusivity. Many bags are available only to VIP clients, and the brand is known for limiting production to maintain demand and allure. This creates a sense of urgency. The idea that if you don't get your hands on a piece now, you might not get another chance. That's why Louis Vuitton remains not only a status symbol but also an investment. 7. The future of Louis Vuitton: maintaining legacy in a modern world. The question now is, how does Louis Vuitton maintain its legacy while staying relevant? The answer lies in its ability to balance tradition with innovation. The brand's collaborations with streetwear icons like Virgil Abloh have brought a new generation of consumers to Louis Vuitton, while still appealing to long-time luxury buyers. Abloh's influence introduced bold colors, streetwear silhouettes, and a more youthful energy to the brand, all without losing the core essence of Louis Vuitton's heritage. 8. Why Louis Vuitton is more than just a brand. Louis Vuitton isn't just a brand, it's a statement. It represents craftsmanship, legacy, and the art of travel. From the first flat-top trunk to the latest runway collection, every piece carries the story of Louis Vuitton's journey. 9. Pharrell Williams ushering in a new era for Louis Vuitton men. In 2023, Louis Vuitton appointed Pharrell Williams as the men's creative director, a move that sent ripples through both the fashion and music industries. Known for his innovative approach to music and style, Pharrell brought a fresh perspective to the brand's menswear line. His inaugural collection, unveiled during Paris Fashion Week in June 2023, blended traditional Louis Vuitton elements with contemporary streetwear influences, resonating with a diverse audience. 10. Louis Vuitton's foray into Formula One, merging luxury with motorsport, expanding its horizons. Louis Vuitton entered a groundbreaking 10-year global partnership with Formula One in October 2024. This collaboration not only introduced Louis Vuitton as the title sponsor of the Australian Grand Prix but also integrated the brand's iconic designs into the world of motorsport. From bespoke trophy travel cases to prominent trackside branding, Louis Vuitton seamlessly merged luxury fashion with high-speed racing, capturing the attention of both fashion enthusiasts and motorsport fans. 11. At the Paris Fashion Week Autumn or Winter 2025, Louis Vuitton returned to its roots with a collection centered around the theme of travel. The runway featured an array of practical yet sophisticated pieces, including parkas, capes, and sumptuous evening gowns, all reflecting the brand's commitment to innovation and tradition. This collection not only honored Louis Vuitton's rich heritage but also showcased its ability to adapt to contemporary fashion trends. Louis Vuitton's journey from a humble trunk maker to a global fashion powerhouse is a testament to its enduring legacy and ability to innovate. From appointing visionary leaders like Pharrell Williams to forging unique partnerships in the world of sports, Louis Vuitton continues to redefine luxury. Which brand story would you like me to explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And this is just the beginning of our luxury brand series. Next week, I'll be diving into another iconic fashion house. So make sure to tell me in the comments which brand you want me to cover next. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Louis Vuitton's rich history and exciting future. Remember, fashion is not just about what you wear. It's about the stories behind the brands we love. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of luxury.